Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the compact launcher frame so the mechanism is reliable. Pick a dense base and mount points now. Once your baseboard is marked, attach the dowel off-center to create the spring arm. This provides leverage for consistent launches. Make sure to secure the elastic band to the dowel with a knot and a dab of hot glue. That prevents slipping. You're starting with mechanical advantage. The why is simple. Consistent force yields predictable tosses of the sticky notes. Now you build the trigger and feeding path so notes cycle smoothly without jams. Install the plastic sliding trigger under the dowel. Its catch must engage the stack edge and release cleanly when pulled. Feed your sticky notes onto the guide rod with adhesive side aligned. Low friction and slight compression keep one note ready. Adjust elastic tension until the launch is gentle but adequate. 2 tight tiers paper, 2 loose fails to propel. Once set, cycle several times to fine-tune travel and feeding alignment. Finish by tuning for reliability and safety. Trim excess glue, sand rough edges, and secure all fasteners so parts don't shift during use. Test launch range and adjust the elastic band length for the distance you need. Shorter band equals stronger launch, longer equals softer release. If notes tear or snag, make small adjustments. Realign the guide rod, lower trigger travel, or reduce friction at contact points. One troubleshooting tip: if misfeeds persist, run single-note trials after realigning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.